Here's the 30-second summary of the FTX drama that is blowing up in crypto. How FTX, a multi-billion-dollar company, almost died overnight, and why this is a god-tier strategic move by CZ of Binance. Okay, so it starts years ago. Binance was an early investor in FTX, but FTX starts growing like crazy. They become the number 2 biggest exchange. Steph Curry, Tom Brady, they cut huge marketing deals, and SBF becomes the famous fro of crypto and quad. SBF and CZ started as friends, now competitors. Binance number 1 and FTX number 2. While Coinbase and others are smaller. Binance decides to sell its stake in FTX. As part of the buyout, they agreed to take $2 billion of it in FTT, which is a token that FTX created that it uses for trading fees. So now, Binance and FTX are friendly competitors. Binance owns a ton of FTT, $2 billion, and there's not a lot of FTT trading volume. 2 days ago, CZ comes out and says SBF has been talking shit about them to regulators, lobbying in a way that would hurt Binance. So he announces publicly on Twitter to his 7 million followers that he's going to dump his entire $2 billion FTT stash. Anyone holding FTT knows this is bad news. $2 billion of sell pressure would crush price. So public start to panic sell. Price of FTT drops like 20% overnight. Nobody wants to buy FTT as it is too risky, because a whale is about to dump and everyone wants to sell. Enter Alameda, the hedge fund and market maker Sam started before FTX. They are kings. But news leaks showing the emperor has no clothes. They have $12 billion in assets, $7 billion in liabilities, but half their assets are in FTT token, which is plummeting and illiquid. Alameda might die. If Alameda is in trouble, FTX might be too. They are sorta sister companies. Market makers on FTX and possibly hold and trade customer deposits. The relationship has been unclear for years. But most people think of FTX as a blue chip company. Sam is famous. He's a genius, right? They wait for Sam or Alameda to show they are in good health, but they were not in good health. Sam tweets saying everything is fine, but it feels to all of crypto like a girlfriend saying I'm fine but she's not fine. Alameda's CEO comes out and says they will happily buy the FTT token as it plunges. But something tells us that it's not so happy. 24 hours pass. If they had the financial strength, they would have shown it by now. This starts to feel like the steady lads moment right before Luna collapsed. People freak out. Start withdrawing funds from FTX. You know, just in case it collapses like Celsius, BlockFi, Voyager, Luna all did in the past year. $1B plus of withdrawals. FTX is facing a liquidity crunch. More silence. Withdrawals paused on FTX. Then today, SBF comes out and says they are entering a strategic transaction with Binance. Strategic transaction? Best code phrase since. CZ clears it up. FTX was in trouble. We bought them to save them and quad. Binance basically started a rumor, made a threat, and ended up buying its biggest competitor overnight. Magnus Carlsen approves. For now the drama ends. Crypto crisis averted.